Namaste, everybody. I was just looking through the news and I just came up on this article from MSN, NBC News saying that looming galactic collision will rip open the black hole at the Milky Way center. Um, this was kind of disturbing. This was like 6 hours ago. Um, Yeah, it says basically the end of Milky Way as we know it may come a few billion years ahead of schedule. According to a new paper published January 4th in the journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, our home galaxy appears to be on a crash course with one of its nearest satellites, the spiral of stars known as the Large Magellanic Cloud, which is LMC for short. This cosmic crash modeled in lovely and terrifying detail by a team of astrophysicists at Durham University in the UK could begin as soon as 2 billion years from now, roughly 2 billion to 3 billion, sooner than the long anticipated collision between the Milky Way and its nearest cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. And it's basically saying adjust your doomsday clocks accordingly. While the LMC boosts only about 1/20th the solar mass of Milky Way, the collision will nevertheless leave permanent scars on both galaxies, igniting once dormant black holes, flinging stars quadrillions of miles out of orbit and staining the sky with crackling cosmic radiation. Wow. The destruction of the Large Magellanic Cloud as devoured by the Milky Way will wreak havoc with our galaxy. Marcius Canton, lead study author and postdoctoral fellow in Durham University Institute for Computational Cosmology, said in a statement, when galaxies collide, galactic collisions are a common occurrence in a surprisingly crowded infinity of space, and scientists are getting pretty good at modeling how fresh mergers may play out. Using a supercomputer collision simulator called Eagle, the Durham team modeled several possible scenarios from the impending Milky Way and LMC merger. What would change for our galaxy? For starters, the colliding LMC will likely pour loads of fresh gas and stars into the black hole at the center of the Milky Way, breathing fresh life into this once sleeping giant. According to Canton and colleagues, such as collision could bulk up the black hole to about 8 times its current size, possibly turning into a quasar, one of the brightest objects in the universe, which occurs with a supermassive black hole, sucks in and spits out blazing celestial matter at near speed light. Should this happen, the stars that currently call the Milky Way's galactic center home will sadly have to yield the neighborhood they know and love to a new population of cosmic immigrants from the LCM. According to researchers, many stars will be sucked into the growing black hole at the galactic center. Other stars, reacting to all the extra mass pouring into the neighborhood, could flung headlong into interstellar space quadrillions of miles away. Fortunately, for any descendants you might leave 2 billion years from now, only a few stars inhabiting the general region of Earth's sun will be affected by the merger, the authors wrote. The researchers predicted that any risk to life on Earth is very unlikely. And on the brighter side, the Milky Way's brand new quasar could actually treat future Earthlings to a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. According to the study of co-author Carlos Frank, director of the Institute for Computational Cosmology at Durham. I don't know, you guys. There you have it. I guess there's going to be a collision. That's what that cloud is. And it's going to wreak havoc. Namaste, everybody. Much love. I had to share this news to everybody.